Hi everyone, this is the basic install guide of the tube site builder. So once you have bought the script, you're gonna need to go to the Roboscripts site, click on my account, log in, then please read that yellow box, and this is where you'll be able to create a license key for your script and to download its script. Once you have downloaded the script and unzip it, using your FTP clients, you'll need to upload everything that's inside of the folder inside the root of your domain. Once it's uploaded, the first thing you'll do is rename the htaccess file. Don't forget to add a dot in front of the file name. Then you'll click on TB Builder folder, config, and the file inside it, open it. This is where you'll put your database information, which you have just created on your server panel, cpanel, direct admin, plesk, whatever. So I'm gonna just do some copy and paste. Wrong one. There we go. I'm gonna save it. Go back one level. Inside the TB Builder folder, I'm gonna scroll down a bit. Open the installation.txt file. And at step 4, I will find the URL of the installer. Now I need to replace your site.com by your domain name and hit it with your browser. I'm going to start the installation. Everything should be green here. Load the database and then add my license key. Okay. Install is done. The install is done. Now again, default is admin password. And I head up the board. Okay, the first thing to do is main settings. So here I'm gonna go quickly do my setting the way I like it, but you'll be able to see to watch a second video where I'll explain every function or functionality in details. For here. That's it. What I like to do is send them all to draft, then use the adult synonym database already integrated in the script and use it to change all the words that are found by new ones. So titles are new, description are new and not considered duplicates by Google. Okay, so next step is to go to start and stop. Start the aggregator. Fetch the API of different sites and add them in your DB. Then I'll go to source, select site, use those. Select a few categories. Babe. There we go. If I want to remove them, I simply click on them in the right box and they go back left and I save. Okay, now I'm gonna choose a theme. Oh, Audio is fine with me. And at last, I'm gonna go to Crown Jobs, grab the commands. There's two to add. So this one is one every 10 minutes. So I'll go to my direct admin panel, Crown Job, every 10 minutes. Another one that needs to run every 15 minutes. I can see them there. So now I need to wait 15 minutes to see if they're running fine. Once they do, I'll click on logs. I'll be able to see the log file grow bigger and not being 0. So 1, 2 kilobytes, 7 kilobytes, blah, blah, blah. And I'll be able to view something when I click here. Once I see some action here, I know that my script is running well and everything is fine. So that's it. Simple as that. Have a nice day. Bye.